Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Duo Security, beginner guide step by step clearly. To install Duo Security, visit the Duo Security website. Create a Duo account if you do not already have one. Log into your Duo account using your credentials. Navigate to the Applications section of the dashboard. Click on the Protect an Application button. Find the application you want to protect with Duo Security from the list. Click on the Protect button next to the selected application. Note the integration key, secret key, and API hostname provided. Download the Duo application for your desired platform. Follow the specific installation instructions for your operating system. Open the installed Duo application on your device. Enter the integration key, secret key, and API hostname as prompted. Complete any additional configuration required for your application. If needed, download Duo's mobile application from the App Store or Google Play. Enroll your mobile device to receive authentication requests. Test the configuration by attempting to log in to the protected application. Ensure you can receive and approve Duo authentication requests. Review the settings and make adjustments as necessary for your security needs. Once satisfied, you are now set up with Duo Security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.